Ever wondered what sets successful entrepreneurs apart from the rest? It all starts with a vision, a problem to solve, and the drive to turn that vision into reality. But here's the secret ingredient that many overlook: the business plan. In the last couple of days, I had a lot of discussions with different entrepreneurs. They were all saying to me, "Hey Nico, of course we have a business plan, and of course we have a road that we want to take." But when I started to look on their business plan, they showed me either just the financial projections, or they showed me their vision and mission without clear objectives on a short term and on the long term. Without smart objectives, you are not able to really understand where your business is going, and you are not sure that your vision and mission will go on the same path as your objectives. So join me on this journey as we delve into the importance of having a solid business plan to guide your entrepreneurial wishes and desires and hopes for the future. The truth is, without a well-crafted business plan, your chances for success are really slim. A business plan is like a roadmap that guides you through the twists and turns of entrepreneurship, helping you navigate the challenges and seize opportunities along the way. As an entrepreneur, you started with a vision, a problem you wanted to solve, a gap you were able to identify in the market. But having a vision is just the first step. To turn that vision into a thriving business, you need a solid plan. A business plan is more than just financial projections. It's a comprehensive document that outlines your goals, strategies, and tactics for achieving success. So let's see, why is a business plan so important? Step number one is because it clarifies your vision and mission. Imagine you're setting out on a road trip across the country. Without a clear destination and purpose for your journey, you likely end up wandering aimlessly, wasting time and resources. A business plan is like your GPS. It clarifies where you want to go and why. For instance, when Mark Cuban first had the idea for broadcast.com, his business plan helped solidify his mission to become the world's leading destination for multimedia and streaming content on the internet. The second reason is that it helps you set realistic, achievable goals. Setting goals without a plan is like shooting arrows blindfolded. You'll never hit your target. A solid business plan forces you to break down into overarching visions into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives. Let's take Spanx for example. Sarah Blakely initial plan mapped out ambitious yet realistic yearly sales targets that kept her focused and motivated to grow from selling fax machines door to door to becoming a billionaire founder. The third thing is that the business plan, it helps you identify potential risks and allows you to prepare. Every road has dead ends and detours. With a thoughtful business plan, you can anticipate many of the risks and challenges ahead of time and develop contingency plans. When Airbnb just getting started, their plan helped them foresee the need for a robust trust and safety framework to facilitate hosting strangers. This early preparation allowed them to implement mechanisms that made the platform's rapid growth possible. Serves as a roadmap for decision making. Also, as your business grows, you repeatedly face forks in the road. A well-crafted plan provides decision-making criteria to help you determine which path aligns best with your goals. Reed Hastings had to make tough choices when steering Netflix transition from DVDs to streaming, but the company's vision and plan gave him a compass for deciding things like separating streaming as a new service, and that made his business very successful. Also, it attracts investors and partners. Imagine trying to pitch explorers to join on your expedition without any maps or plans. They likely think you were unprepared and foolish. Investors and partners want to see you've thought things through and have a clear path laid out. That's why Elon Musk's detailed master plan for Tesla, mapping out an ambitious vision for sustainable energy over several phases, helped attract billions in investment. A business plan is like a blueprint for building a successful enterprise. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. You need to define your business. Before you can construct a house, you need to lay a solid foundation. What problem are you trying to solve? What product or service will you offer to address that pain point? And who exactly is your target customer? Answering these fundamental questions forms the bedrock of your plan. Let's take the same example as before. Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, her foundation was solving the problem of unflattering undergarments for women. By clearly defining her revolutionary footless pantyhose products and audience of fashion-conscious females, she anchored a billion-dollar idea. Step number 2 is market research. You can't build a house without first surveying the land. Who are the competitors already operating in that space? What unique advantages or challenges exist in the current landscape? What unique values does your business promise to deliver to customers? Who are your target customers? Conducting thorough market research lets you map out the terrain ahead. When Reed Hastings famously pivoted Netflix from DVD rentals to streaming, rigorous analysis of user behavior and bandwidth trends allowed them to navigate that rocky transition successfully. Step number 3 is setting SMART goals. Every construction project needs a blueprint with detailed specs. Now comes the crucial step of translating your vision into actionable goals. SMART objectives: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound are the cornerstone of a well-defined business plan. Get ultra specific about what you want to achieve, how you'll quantify progress, whether those targets are realistically attainable, how they tie back to your overall vision, and when you aim to accomplish each one. Elon Musk outlined an ambitious multi-phase master plan for Tesla, accelerate the advent of sustainable energy. Those clearly defined objectives provided a bold yet achievable blueprint to galvanize his team. Step number 4 is developing your strategies. With your goals set, now you need a construction crew and equipment to make it happen. What marketing and sales channels will you leverage to efficiently reach your target market? How will you price your products and how to maximize your value? Detailing these key operational strategies provides the game plans to build your vision. Look at Airbnb. By creatively deploying localized techniques like hosting meetings and clever referral programs, they assembled a workforce of micro entrepreneurs to scale their revolutionary home sharing platform. Step number 5 is create financial projections. You can start construction without budget mapped out. What are the materials going to cost? How much will you need to finance the labor? When you can expect to start generating revenues and potentially profit. Getting precise financial projections like startup costs, funding needs, income forecasts, and more provides the capital estimates you'll require. Uber's first strategy was to collect $1.25 million to start their trial version, then use all the money they made to grow the business for several years before thinking about going public. This plan helped them get the support they needed to change the transportation industry. A solid business plan is the difference between a standing structure and a house of cards inevitably collapsing. It transforms your entrepreneurial dream into a viably constructed enterprise. So, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur or already running a business, take the time to create a comprehensive business plan. It could be the key to unlocking your venture true potential. To help you get started, I've created a step-by-step blueprint that walks you through creating a winning business plan from start to finish. Leave a comment below with "Send the blueprint" and I'll send you this valuable resource absolutely for free. It covers everything from defining your business to conducting market research, setting smart goals, developing strategies, and projecting financials. With this blueprint in hand, you'll have a guide to craft a comprehensive plan that provides clarity and vision, and also a roadmap for success. Don't let your entrepreneur dreams remain just dreams. Take action by requesting the blueprint today. The link to leave a comment is in the description below. Remember, a well-crafted business plan is the foundation for a thriving business. Take this first crucial step towards turning your vision into an unstoppable reality. Take care. Bye.